Hello, welcome back. This is question 6 of the Cambridge Igcse Mathematics written in May-June 2024. If this is the first video you are seeing in the playlist, please kindly go to my YouTube channel. There is a playlist titled Igcse Mathematics, paper 3 to May-June 2024. There are 5 videos there for questions 1 to 5. Question 6a, complete the table of values for y equals to negative x squared plus 8x plus 1. You have the table of values for x and y respectively. You have to complete this. So you can input this equation, that is this quadratic function, into your calculator. Then you set the step to 1, and the range will be from 0 to 8. So when you do that, you get the value of y when x equals to 0 to be 1, and when x equals to 1, y equals to 8, and when x equals to 3, y equals to 16, and when x equals to 5, y equals to 16 again. Then you have the value of y to be 8 when x equals to 7, and you have it completed. Okay, so what you need to do is just to input this function into your calculator. Then you set the range from 0 to 8, then the step to be equals to 1. So when you hit enter, so you see the values of y on your screen. So if you look at this quadratic equation, so that means the line of symmetry will be at x equals to 4 and 16 plus 1 is 17, and the maximum value of y, that is the vertex, will be at x equals to 4, y equals to 17. Okay, so that's another topic on its own. Okay, so let's go to the next question. Remember figure 2 on the grid. Draw the graph of y equals to negative x squared plus 8x plus 1 for this range. So let's scroll down a little bit. So when x equals to 0, y equals to 1. So it will be here. That was the first point. So when x equals to 1, y equals to 8. So 8 will be here. And the next one, when x equals to 2, the value of y equals to 13. So let's scroll up 2, then against 13 here. So when x equals to 3, y equals to 16. So it will be this. And when x equals to 4, y equals to 17. So it will be this point here. Okay, so when x equals to 5, this is the next one here. So x equals to 16, so it will be this. When x equals to 6, y equals to 13, so it will be this one here. And when x equals to 7, this one here, y equals to 8. So we need to scroll down a little bit. 7 against 8. So this is s equals to 7. Then against 8 is this. And the last one, when x equals to 8, so y equals to 1. Okay, so if you look at the parabola, that is the curve, okay, of course, it should be like this because of this negative sign, okay, by the coefficient of s squared, that is negative 1. Okay, it will be this, and the vertex will be here at x equals to 4, y equals to 17, as said earlier. So you can take your French curve and join these points together. For me, I have to do that gently. I will show you the result when I'm done. This is what you get when you connect all the points together. I used a freehand sketch. Okay, so you can do better by using a French curve. Okay, so there could be a slight difference between my answers and yours, okay, due to error, due to pencil or curve. And moreover, Cambridge will give a range of answers for X and Y respectively. Okay, so let's go to the next question. That will be round figure 3. Write down the equation of the line of symmetry of the graph. So the line of symmetry of the graph is a line that divides the curve into two equal halves, such that when a side is flipped over another, okay, it does not overlap. Okay, so it will be the middle here. So if you trace this down, so that will be x equals to 4. So if you take 2 points from the two sides, so they should be equidistant. Okay, take for instance this and this. So you have 1, 2. So 1, 2, they are equidistant. For these 2 points, you have 1, you have 1. So that is the line of symmetry. And earlier in this video, I told you that when you write it in form of completing the square, okay, so you can easily get the vertex. So the vertex here is x equals to 4, y equals to 17. Okay, and to get the line of symmetry algebraically, so that will be x equals to negative b over 2a. So if you key in the values there, so it will be equals to negative b is equals to 8 over 2 into a is negative 1. So this will give you 8 over 2. Okay, you have 8 over 2, so which is equals to 4. That is the equation of line of symmetry. That is x equals to 4. Okay, so let's go to the question. So you can write x equals to 4 here. Okay, part B, a straight line has a gradient of 1 over 2 and passes through the point 2, 7 on the grid. Draw the line for this range. Okay, so let's plot this point, then we move and run by using this gradient. Okay, so let's come here. 2, 7 will be here. X equals to 2, then y equals to 7 will be here. So we have a point here. So the gradient is 1 over 2. You move up once, then you run forward twice. So another point will be here. Okay, so up once, then forward twice. So another point will be here. Up once, then forward twice. So another point will be here. So we can easily connect these points together. Let's start from here. Draw like this. So this spot. Okay, so we can extend the line, okay, to the other side here. Okay, I think it's good here. Okay, good. So that is the line. Okay, so let's go to the next question. Remember figure 2, write down the equation of this line in the form of y equals to mx plus c. Okay, so what you can do here, so we have a point that is x1 equals to 2 and y1 equals to 7. Okay, so the gradient m equals to 1 over 2. So using the formula y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. So let's key in the values. We have y minus 7 equals to 1 over 2 into x minus 2. So if you expand the bracket, okay, so let's say this will give us y minus 7 equals to 1 over 2x minus 1. So if you rearrange, it will be y equals to 1 over 2x. So we have minus 1 plus 7. And finally, y equals to 1 over 2x plus 6. Y equals to 1 over 2x plus 6. Okay, so Roman figure 3, write down the coordinates of the point where this line intersects the graph of y equals to minus x squared plus 8x plus 1. So let's go back to the grid. So we have point here. Okay, so we have this point, this, and this one here. So we can get the x and the y values respectively. Okay, so if you need to get the value of a line here. So the first unit here is 2. So 2 divided by 10, that is 0.2. So the first unit here is 2. 2 divided by 10 is also 0.2. Okay, so that will help you. So if you take this point here, so the value of x is around here. So you trace this one down here. Okay, so let's count from here. 1, 2, 3. So about 3 there. So, but it's a little bit more than 3. So let's take 1, 2, 3. So 3.5. Okay, so the value of x here will be that is 3.5 lines multiplied by 0.2. Okay, so for the second one, so for the y rather, so y will be 6 here, then you have this point here, 6.2. okay, so y is equals to 6.2. So the value of x here will be 0.7. So we can make this better. Okay. So if you look at this is 10, 20, 30, 31, 31.5 because it's a little bit more than that. So we can say y equals to 31.5 multiplied by 0.2. Okay, so that will give us 6.3. So let's use this. X equals to 0.7, then y equals to 6.3. Okay, so 0.7, then 6.3. So that is the first one. So let's go for the second one. So let's scroll down a little bit. Okay, so we can do the same thing here. So we have this point here. So in between these two. Okay, so I think I can count this one. This one is that is 10, 20, 30. That is 30 lines. Okay, so we have 30, 35, 35.5. That's the middle. Okay, so that is 35.5 multiplied by 0.2. So that will be the value of x. Then y will be equals to, let's see, for y is here, but here, this particular spot here. Okay, so that will be 1, 2, 3. So it will be, let's take this as, this one is already 8. So this is 9, 9.2, 9.4. Okay, so y equals to 9.4. Okay, because this is exactly on this line, so no need to do any calculation. So you can take your calculator and do this. 35.5 times 0.2. Sorry, I think I miscounted this. So this is 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So this is on 34. Okay, so let's do this. You have 34 multiplied by 0.2. So you can get your answer from here, or better still, you can just count. This is 6, 6.2, 6.4, 6.6, 6.8. So you can get it like that. So that will be 6.8. So for the second one, you have 6.8, 9.4. Okay, so let's go here. So you have, let's scroll down a little bit. So we have 6.8, then 7 point, sorry, I think 9.4. So I'll need to check that again. So let's see, what did I write there? Okay, 6.8, 9.4. So we are correct. 6.8 and 9.4. So this is the end of my solution to question 6. In the next video, I'll solve question 7. Until then, have your fingers crossed.